if female Dharma come, the face must be should be very attractive. I mean, if female Dharma come, then that female
will be
must
attractive.
be very attractive.
Must
Otherwise,
be very
not much
attractive.
use.
It's just going to... Really?
Well, I think some people, my face...
You're joking, I'm assuming. Or you're not joking.
Huh?
No?
I mean, if female Dharma come, and then must be very attractive female. Otherwise, not much use.
You can't say that, Dalai Lama. You can't. Your Holiness, you can't
But
say that.
The female must be very attractive, more useful. Female, but looks a little.
Can't be ugly.
Not much meaningful.
Carousing.